last vlog that I did, but I'm super excited for today's vlog because I'm getting ready to go to my very first solo influencer event, and it's with Pixi Beauty. They said it's like an intimate dinner. It's at the Canal Club, which is part of like some resort in Scottsdale. They're even like sending me a ride to get there and back home, and it's just crazy and I can't believe it. So I figured I would vlog it because it's exciting. But anyways, I'm just doing my makeup right now. I kind of want to do something super glowy. I'm really excited. Actually, to be honest, I'm actually really freaking nervous just because I'm going alone and I don't think I'll know anyone there, but I'm really trying to step out of my comfort zone and just like do things. Anyways, I already picked out my outfit. I think it's cute. I honestly don't really know what to wear. I'm kind of going for like model off-duty, office siren, baddie vibes, I guess. We'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna finish doing my makeup. I really want to like focus on it, so I'll check back in with you guys when I'm getting dressed. Wait, you guys, also tonight is Stray Kids comeback. New Stray Kids album, new music video. Are we excited? I am. It'll be coming out like right when I get back home probably, so I'm really excited to watch that and listen to the new songs. Anyways, I'm gonna finish my makeup now. Bye. All right, makeup is done. Cute. Now I have to do something about my hair. You guys, growing out bangs is no joke. I just like don't know what to do with them. They're at such an awkward length. I am getting a haircut on Monday to try and turn them more into like curtain bangs, because right now they're just cut at like one length across, and so it's just like, what the heck do I do with them? But for now, I've just been kind of styling them like this, so I'm getting nervous. I'm trying not to think about it. I just have to tell myself that it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna meet new people. They invited me, so like obviously they want me there. That's all I got. Let's finish my hair. Oh my god. Oh, you guys, I'm so scared. Why am I scared? My boyfriend's funny. He's like, why are you scared of free food and free gifts and free ride? I'm like, I don't know. I just have anxiety, okay? It's hard to explain. Here's what's in my bag. Wallet, mint gum, oil blotting papers, my forehead be greasy, hand sanitizer, this like aroma pen thing by Rare Beauty, like lavender, I don't know, just calms me down. And then I'm gonna put this jewelry on. I'm gonna wear these glasses. This is my bag. It's from Lucan. It's like a Mugler dupe. Yeah, I'm gonna put my outfit on now. Okay guys, here's my fit. I think it's cute. It's like cropped white button up top. This is from the Crypt. Jeans are from Prod. Shoes are Lucan. Bag is Lucan. I don't know where these glasses are from. I think they're from Zenny Optical. They are prescription because I do need to see. Okay, I'm gonna call my Uber now. You guys, I literally thought I was gonna be late, but I was one of the first people to arrive. The place was absolutely stunning on the inside. They had this amazing setup of all their new products with goodie bags, beautiful flowers and candles, and oh my gosh, look at the table setup. It was absolutely gorgeous. They did have a special menu, and here's my little name tag, and we had some steak and potatoes and these really amazing donut holes. And then after we ate and they talked to us a little bit about the new products, we got to go in line and pick out some free goodies, and yeah, it was a really good night. I'm back home now. No, because why was my Uber driver just like bumping the bass? Like, it was giving me a headache. Anyways, I had so much fun. The food was so yummy. Once again, I was nervous for no reason. Made some friends, chatted it up, and I got a bunch of free stuff. Shall we look? Some SPF, little sunscreen mist, Hydra lip treat. These are on the table. It has my name on it. Vitamin C capsules. My favorite On the Glow blush. Vitamin makeup mist. I love their mist. Another blush. Another lip balm. And these are my absolute favorite. The little under eye patches. I love these. That's all my goodies. Thank you again, Pixie, for inviting me. I did my best and I'm glad that I went. It was a good opportunity. So yeah, I think I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna watch the Stray Kids music video right now. Probably FaceTime Zach so we can watch it together. And then I'm gonna go to bed. That's all. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. Last night, I was FaceTiming Zach when I got home, and I was laying down, and then I passed out, fell asleep with my makeup on, which I don't really do anymore. I used to be like kind of bad about that, but it's been a long time since that's happened to me, and so I feel like my skin is hating me for it. I did wake up at like 3:30 in the morning and wash my face, so but still my skin is like so dry and feels gross. I literally already got a pimple from it, I swear. So I just took a shower and now I'm just gonna do a face mask. I got these the other day at TJ Maxx. They're so cute, they're little capybaras. I'm just gonna do this, do my makeup, and just get ready for the day. Today I'm just going to my boyfriend's house and we're gonna watch the Stray Kids music video and listen to all the songs on the new album because we didn't do that last night. And then we're also gonna go to Barnes & Noble or Target to see if they have the albums and pick them up. So I'll show you guys the albums and everything. I'm really excited. I'm trying not to spoil it on Twitter or Instagram. I've just been like avoiding watching clips of the music video because I just don't want to spoil it. How do you take this off? These are so cute. I did one the other night. It comes with 3 in the pack. I'm trying not to get it on my hair because my hair is clean. Someone just fell in my shower out of nowhere. Literally face masks like never fit me. I must have like a small face or something. I don't know. They're always like giant on me. So cute. See, like my forehead's like too small for them. Like, oh my god. Isn't this so cute though? Look at it. He has this little fruit. Oh my god. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna have breakfast, do my makeup, get dressed, and then we'll head out. Breakfast time. Okay, my skin's looking a lot better now. So let's put some makeup on. Today's gonna be fun. Sunscreen first, always. Guys, I don't think you understand like how hot it is here. I just like never want to go out because it's so freaking hot. It literally reaches up to like 118, 120 degrees here. Just like not okay. Really not. Plus, it also makes it hard picking out what to wear. I want to dress cute, but I don't want to be like uncomfortable and sweaty and gross, and so I literally just wear like a baggy t-shirt or like a tank top and shorts like all the time when I go places. I don't really have many options because it's so hot. Anyways, I can't remember if I talked to you guys about the event at all, but it was really fun and I feel like it was a good experience for me because I'm like really shy and I just like don't really do these types of things. I won't lie, I did feel like a little out of place, mostly because all of them were like beauty influencers, but everyone was super nice and they all like introduced themselves to me and asked me what I did, and I had some really good conversations with some people. Overall, just like met a lot of really great people. Also just learning more about the brand. And I've been on Pixi Beauty's PR list since like 2021. 2022 maybe, so it's just like a full circle moment. I love their products and I'm just really happy that they invited me, so it was super fun. I met this guy who works for Makeup by Mario. I also met this girl who was like on The Bachelor. Like, I don't know. I looked her up after, she has like 1 million followers and I was like, oh my god, like what am I doing here? Like, I did not belong here, but that's just my brain telling me that, like, I don't know, giving me imposter syndrome. Sometimes I just have imposter syndrome at things like that because it's like, why would they want me here? But obviously they invited me for a reason, so yeah. That's all. I really hope Barnes & Noble or Target has the albums. Like, they came out yesterday, but I'm sure they will. I just hate having to like ask. Also, the Barnes & Noble we go to, like, they put all the K-pop albums behind the counter on like this big wall, and you have to like get someone to get it for you, but you can't like walk back there. So half the time we're like the Stray Kids one and they have no idea what the heck we're talking about, and so I have to like describe the album, like what it looks like. I'm like, the black and white one, like with the red writing or whatever. Like, I don't know. Like, it's just funny because they have no idea what I'm even asking for. Okay, here's my fit today. Super cute. Alright, let's do another what's in my bag for today. Today I'm using this, I think the brand is Saint Scott. It's supposed to be like a cost dupe. And then we have my Vivienne Westwood wallet, my other pair of glasses, because I'm wearing new glasses today. It's the same prescription, but they're like super skinny. Sometimes I feel like I can't see, so if I want to change them out, I will wear these, some oil blotting papers, gum, mints, hand sanitizer, and then I have some little charm options. I was thinking of putting my Hyunjin photo card on there because I'm going to get the album, so like obviously I gotta rep. And then I also have this cute little strawberry one. It could be cute together like that, so maybe we'll do that. So cute. Okay, fit check. Okay, let's go. That's not your toy.
Oh, look it.
She doesn't care. No. Hi, baby. Oh, he's cute. Hey.
Thank you.
Good morning, guys. I didn't do a very good job of unboxing my album for you guys yesterday, so I wanted to like show you guys who I pulled and just like how the album looks. It's super cool. I love it. Also ignore my missing nails. Sorry about that. This is the version I got. I honestly don't even know what version it is. No idea, but this is what the cover looks like. Here's the inside. The photo book is, oh, everything fell out. The photo book is amazing. Love it. Came with this little postcard. This was cool. It's like a little booklet of all of them. Love it. Another cute little postcard. And then it came with all these stickers of them. I just want to like stick these random places. And then here's the CD. Comes like that. Poster. And then these were my photo cards. I did get an extra one as the like Barnes & Noble exclusive. I'm not sure which one that is, but I got Ian and Lino, Changbin and Chan, and the double-sided Changbin. Love it. Let me know what your favorite song on the album is. I think mine is I Like It. For today, I am just filming some TikToks, and I also got some PR packages in the mail, so I figured I would just open them now with you guys and show you everything that I got. Okay, here's all the packages we need to open. So let's get to it. First one is Petite Moments. This little tote bag. So cute, right? Oh, they sent me lots of jewelry. Super cute shell necklace. This necklace is really cool. Their new arm cuffs. Cross earrings. Oh, these are so cute. They're like little checkerboard cuffs. Love those. These earrings are amazing. Oh my god. This super cool like pearl charm necklace. And then these matching floral necklace and earrings. So adorable. Guys, I get my hair cut tomorrow, finally. I'm so over my hair right now. I'm just like not vibing with it. Anyways, okay, we have a package from Pixi Beauty. And they sent me their new Super Glow highlighter sticks. Ooh, it's like their famous blush sticks, but highlighter. This one looks more pinky, and then this one's just like a little golden tint. Okay, now we have Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Frizz Tamer Wand. It's to like tame your flyaways. I'm excited about this. Next, I have a package from 6 Dimension. I believe they sent me some pieces from their new collection. They sent me this really cool kind of off the shoulder type top with like this little buckle strap. This is really cool. I feel like I'm gonna wear this a lot. I love this. And then they sent me this cool skirt to go with it. Has this little like alien chick on there. This is super cool. There's a little bow. I love the like lace trim. I don't know what this one is. We have a package from Prada Beauty. They sent me their Prada Paradox Virtual Flower perfume. Shall we open it? Oh, pretty. I always love their bottles. This one's clear. The other ones I have are pink. Oh my god. Smells so good. Love it. And one more. This one is from Poshmark. I always partner with them on TikTok, and they sent me some of their merch, which is pretty cool. Oh, how cute. This really cool tote bag with their logo, and it just says Secondhand Lovers Club. This is like a heavy duty tote bag. This is really nice. So they sent me that, and then they also sent me this really cute hat. It just says Secondhand Lover. So cute. I love that. And then they wrote me like this little note and stuff. How cute. And they sent me this little patch. Aw. Thank you for continuing to share the Poshmark love on social media. We hope you love the merch and can't wait to see how you style it this summer. That's sweet. They're always like so nice to me, and I love working with them. But that was all of my PR packages from this week. Now I'm just gonna film some TikToks and chill for the rest of the day, so I will check back in with you guys later. Okay, I'm leaving now for my haircut. I just got here. Here's the final before of my hair. Hey, I'm so excited. Oh my god. You guys, it literally looks so good. Like better than I expected. She really slayed. I'm literally almost out of gas. Time to go home. Alright you guys, we made it to the last day of the vlog, sadly. I am just freshening up, putting some perfume on and my sunscreen. Me and my roommate just went shopping at Sephora, and then we got lunch at this Mexican restaurant, and yeah, just had a chill day. But that's all for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!